What if I told you a mysterious object from another star system could be an alien spaceship? Welcome to the tale of Oumuamua, the first recognized visitor from another star system, spotted weaving through our cosmic neighborhood. This peculiar guest was caught on camera by the sharp eyes of the Pan-STARRS, one telescope nestled on the scenic slopes of Hawaii on October 19, 2017. From its discovery, Oumuamua has been nothing short of a celestial enigma. Picture this: an object shaped oddly like a giant space cucumber, tumbling through the void. Its elongated cigar-like form and unexpected acceleration patterns raised more than a few eyebrows across the globe. Why? Because not only does it not fit the usual rocky profile of comets or asteroids, its trajectory and speed suggested it was not just wandering through, it might have been steered. So strap in as we dive into the cosmic mystery of Oumuamua. Imagine a giant space cigar zipping through our solar backyard. That's Oumuamua for you, an object so unique that it sparked a flurry of scientific head-scratching and wild speculations among astronomers across the globe. First detected whizzing past Earth in October 2017, Oumuamua presented an appearance that was, frankly, bizarre by celestial standards. Picture this: an object, roughly 1/4 of a mile long but only 1/10 as wide, resembling a cosmic cigar more than any familiar asteroid or comet. Its dark, reddish hue and elongated shape made it stand out against the vast backdrop of space, prompting more questions than answers. But Oumuamua wasn't just a spectacle because of its looks. As it journeyed around the sun, it began exhibiting behaviors that left scientists scratching their heads. It didn't just follow a simple gravitational path, it actually sped up, a phenomenon known as non-gravitational acceleration. This acceleration suggested that something other than mere solar gravity was at play. Could it be outgassing, a common trait among comets where ice turns to gas and drives the comet forward? The twist, however, was that no such cometary tail was observed. Experts have theorized that the bizarre shape of Oumuamua might be responsible for its unusual propulsion, as sunlight could potentially have more surface area to push against. Yet this explanation too remains a subject of hot debate. But was it just a space rock having a spin, or something engineered to roam the stars? Now let's talk aliens. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine floating through the vast, dark expanse of space and stumbling upon a piece of advanced technology from a civilization billions of light years away. This isn't the plot of the latest sci-fi blockbuster. It's a real scientific theory proposed by Harvard professor Avi Loeb. He sparked waves across the scientific community by suggesting that Oumuamua, the first known interstellar object to visit our solar system, might just be an alien spacecraft, or at least a piece of one. Why would a respected professor make such a bold claim? Well, Oumuamua isn't your typical space rock. It's shaped like a cosmic cigar, and its movements defy the usual patterns expected from a natural celestial body. Its acceleration as it passed through our solar system didn't match the expected behavior driven solely by gravitational forces. Instead, Oumuamua sped up, a peculiar trait that suggests it might be more than just a comet or asteroid. Adding to the intrigue are Oumuamua's brightness variations, which are more extreme than those of any known asteroid or comet. This could indicate it has a very unusual shape, or perhaps it's made from materials that we, the residents of Earth, are not yet familiar with. Some speculate these characteristics could be evidence of an artificially constructed object. Of course, with such extraordinary claims come extraordinary skepticism. Many scientists argue that the evidence isn't robust enough to overthrow the more conventional explanations. They suggest that Oumuamua could be a natural phenomenon that we simply don't understand yet, possibly a new type of interstellar object formed by processes that have not yet been observed. But let's indulge in the mystery a bit. If Oumuamua were a piece of alien technology, what would that mean? Are we looking at the debris of a long-lost alien spacecraft? Perhaps a discarded component from a civilization exploring the cosmos just as we aspire to? Could this be interstellar litter from a distant civilization? Or are we just seeing what we want to see? Let's break it down, and not just because it might be a broken spaceship. When Oumuamua whizzed past us in 2017, it wasn't just its speed that caught the eye of astronomers, but its strange, elongated cigar shape. Observations from telescopes around the globe including the Pan-STARRS one in Hawaii, which first spotted this interstellar object, gave researchers a lot to chew on. Oumuamua measures up at about a quarter-mile long, but only about 1/10 as wide proportions that are more reminiscent of a cosmic pencil than any asteroid or comet we're familiar with in our solar system. Its tumbling motion and shiny surface suggested it could be made of metal or ice, but it lacked a cometary tail, throwing a cosmic curveball at the idea it was just an ordinary comet. Now let's talk trajectory. Oumuamua entered the solar system from the direction of Lyra, barreling along at a blistering pace of 59,000 miles per hour. But the real head-scratcher was its acceleration as it passed the sun and began to leave the solar system, moving faster than expected. This anomaly led some to fantasize about alien propulsion systems, but let's ground our thoughts in science for a moment. The acceleration could plausibly be explained by natural phenomena. One theory suggests Oumuamua might be a hydrogen iceberg. In this scenario, hydrogen ice on the surface could sublimate, turning from solid to gas without becoming liquid, providing a natural, albeit unusual, jet propulsion. Another theory proposes it could be a nitrogen iceberg, ejected from a planetary atmosphere and frozen solid in the cold reaches of space. Both hypotheses account for the lack of a visible tail, as both hydrogen and nitrogen would be difficult to detect with telescopes. These explanations might not stir the imagination like visions of alien spacecraft, but they're grounded in the laws of physics and chemistry as we understand them. So, it's either a natural space oddity or the coolest piece of cosmic driftwood ever spotted. With Oumuamua now heading out of the solar system, what are we doing to keep our eyes peeled for the next interstellar visitor? As we wave goodbye to our cosmic cigar, or should we say potential starship, the field of astronomy isn't just sitting back and waiting for the next big reveal. Instead, scientists are gearing up with some of the most advanced technology to date. Enter the Vera Rubin Observatory, a game-changer in the realm of space observation. Set to begin operations in the near future, this observatory will scan the entire sky every few nights, capturing a panoramic view of the cosmos like never before. The Vera Rubin Observatory is not just another telescope. It's equipped with a massive 3.2 gigapixel camera, the largest digital camera ever constructed for space observation. This technological marvel will allow astronomers to spot more objects like Oumuamua, providing data that could decipher their origins, structure, and perhaps even their purpose, if any extraterrestrial theories hold water. But that's not all on the astronomical agenda. Several missions are in the pipeline that promise to extend our sensory reach even further into the depths of space. Projects like the European Space Agency's Comet Interceptor are designed to study comets and other interstellar objects that enter our solar system, offering first-hand information right from the source. As these tools and missions unfold, our understanding of the universe's most mysterious visitors will undoubtedly leap forward. The universe might just be gearing up to send more surprises our way. As the cosmos keeps us guessing, the debate continues to rage on Earth. The arrival of Oumuamua, this peculiar elongated object hurtling through our solar system, has sparked a fiery debate among the stargazing community. Was it just a space rock on a cosmic road trip, or something more extraterrestrial? Let's break it down. On one side, we have the classic asteroid camp. They argue that Oumuamua is likely a natural object, perhaps a shard from a planetary breakup party that happened light years away. These folks like their explanations solid, grounded in the rocky reality of space debris. Then, we swing over to the more sensational side of the spectrum, the alien spacecraft theorists. They point to Oumuamua's bizarre cigar shape and its mysterious boost in speed as it swung by the sun. Classic UFO behavior, right? Or so the enthusiasts would have us believe. They insist that this could be a broken piece of alien technology, maybe even a cosmic billboard saying "phone home." And let's not forget the folks who are sitting on the fence armed with popcorn enjoying the interstellar show. They argue that regardless of its origin, Oumuamua has done something remarkable. It has united the scientific community and the public in a shared sense of wonder and a thirst for answers. The debates get quite heated. Imagine a group of esteemed scientists, usually so composed, now waving their arms and raising their voices over whether we've missed a visit from our galactic neighbors. It's not just about science, it's about our place in the universe and the endless possibilities that lie in the unknown. This little object, smaller than most asteroids but larger than any earthly drama, has not only traveled across the stars, but also sparked star-sized debates that light up our imaginations. Whether it's a wandering space rock or an alien envoy, Oumuamua certainly left us starstruck, and that's a wrap on our interstellar mystery tour. Today, we voyage through the enigmatic tale of Oumuamua, from its peculiar cigar-shaped facade to the thrilling speculation of it being a fragment of alien technology. While the debate among astronomers and sci-fi enthusiasts alike continues to spark wonder, the truth remains cloaked in the vast starry expanse. The quest for knowledge presses on, as every point of light might just be another story waiting to unfold. Keep your telescopes tuned and your minds open. After all, space is not just the final frontier, but also the most thrilling,